Supplication upon awakening.
الحمد لله الذي أحيانا بعدما أماتنا وإليه النشور.
Praise is to Allah who gives us life after He has caused us to die, and to Him is the return.
الحمد لله الذي عافاني في جسدي ورد علي روحي وأذن لي بذكره.
Praise is to Allah who gave strength to my body and returned my soul to me and permitted me to remember Him.